Hello दोस्तों, many people asked me how to crack an entrance exam. How I will tell you? I have not cracked entrance exam yet, then how will you tell you? This question is basically if you ask me how to reach almost reach till cracking an exam, then I can tell you. But if you ask me this question, how to crack any entrance exam, then I cannot ask because I even yet not cracked this entrance exam. So your question is basically I can handle your question. If your question is how to manage time, how to manage study, how to manage revision plan and many things, then I can tell you. But I cannot tell you how to crack an entrance exam. Yes, I am preparing for my entrance exam, but I have not discovered yet how to crack it. I am still discovering it. Perhaps it will near the me and I am about to reach that cracking that entrance exam. But the question is that how to manage time. There is many way that you can see on YouTube how to manage time. They will tell make a diary and plan your what you do today from this time to this time. That works, but that works temporarily that work. But how to manage time? To manage your time, you have to see that what you do in life that are useless things and another things that you use that is basically important in your life. There is two things. Number one, important. Number two, that is useless things. Now you will say, bhaiya, yes, bhaiya, or sir, I use that time. I use that time in every important things. I do daily important thing. My work is very important that I do. But my question is really that you are doing is important? You have to ask yourself, is you doing that? If you are studying and suddenly you will see a video on YouTube and you will see that video about, for example, if on during time of 2020 corona lockdown, when people are preparing for entrance exam, on YouTube see channel of that any lecture, that person, that student see any lecture and suddenly YouTube recommended you a video that why corona is spread, who is the responsible of coronavirus, who is Wuhan city responsible, many things that. But here my question is that it seems like that is important for you, but at that time is really that important for you? You are preparing, your time is to preparing or seeing lecture, and at that time you are seeing that video. Is that really important? Is that really important at time? You will say yes, important. If I know about how spread corona, then I will tell in exam and this question will come in exam. I am saying that is no any connection from you from exam. You have to ask yourself what is important for me and what is I am doing that is useless. You know from inside heart. If you ask yourself, then you know this what is useless things and what you doing is important. So my question is how to differentiate between important and useless things. You have to ask yourself this kind of question, not question like this ask what is important, what is useless for me. You have to ask what is important and you have to write it down on a paper, not solve in mind. You have to not solve in mind, because if you solve in mind, that emotions came into picture and you will not see the solution of that problem. So I hope this help you a lot. Thank you very much.